Welcome back to Motor Max, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda CB1000R, a machine that combines power, style, and advanced technology in ways that are sure to impress riders of all types. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so special. Design and aesthetic, modern minimalism meets aggression. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2025 Honda CB1000R is its bold, muscular design. Honda has taken the Neo Sports Cafe concept to a whole new level, blending aggressive lines with a minimalist approach. The bike maintains the sharp, angular look of its predecessor, but the 2025 model has refined these features even further. The front of the bike features a sleek LED headlamp, designed to provide superior visibility while enhancing its futuristic appearance. The tails section is equally striking, with a new, more compact design that emphasizes the bike's sporty, high-performance character. The bodywork, with its clean lines and matte finish options, gives the CB1000R a premium and modern look that stands out in any crowd. Engine and performance, power under the hood. At the heart of the 2025 Honda CB1000R is a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, a proven powerhouse that has been further optimized for the new model year. This engine produces impressive power, delivering smooth and responsive acceleration across the rev range. Honda has fine-tuned the engine's performance, ensuring that the CB1000R not only offers exhilarating straight-line speed but also an engaging, thrilling ride through corners. The bike's engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, and the overall tuning has been optimized to provide a perfect balance between daily usability and track day fun. The 2025 model is equipped with an updated exhaust system that offers a deeper, more aggressive sound, contributing to the overall performance experience. Handling and suspension, a refined ride. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Honda CB1000R continues to build on its reputation for precision and control. The bike is equipped with fully adjustable Showa suspension at both the front and rear. This allows riders to fine-tune the bike to their preferences, whether they're tackling city streets or winding mountain roads. The bike's chassis has been redesigned for improved rigidity, which enhances stability and cornering capability, making the 2025 CB1000R feel incredibly confident and composed at high speeds or when leaned into tight corners. The lighter weight, paired with the advanced suspension system, allows for quick, nimble handling while still offering a plush ride over rough surfaces. Technology, the future of riding. One of the standout features of the 2025 CB1000R is its updated electronics package. Honda has equipped this bike with a full suite of modern technologies, including a 5-inch color TFT display, which offers all the information a rider needs in a clean and easy-to-read format. The display provides a range of customization options, so you can tailor the information to suit your riding style. Additionally, the 2025 model comes with a suite of rider aids, including multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS. These systems are designed to enhance safety and performance, ensuring that the bike delivers an optimal riding experience whether you're on the open highway or navigating through city traffic. The riding modes range from Sport for aggressive riding to Rain for enhanced traction in wet conditions, providing riders with a high degree of control and confidence. Comfort and ergonomics, ride all day. Honda has made sure that comfort is not compromised, even with the sport-focused nature of the CB1000R. The seat has been redesigned to offer better support, especially for longer rides, and the ergonomics have been optimized for both comfort and control. The foot peg and handlebar position are designed to give riders a slightly aggressive yet still comfortable riding posture, making the CB1000R an excellent choice for riders who want both a track-ready bike and a machine that's capable of longer touring trips. Safety features, confidence on the road. Safety is paramount, and the 2025 Honda CB1000R is loaded with the latest technology to keep riders safe. In addition to the standard ABS system, the bike also features Honda's advanced traction control system, which continuously monitors will slip and adjusts engine power delivery accordingly. This is especially helpful in adverse riding conditions, such as rain or gravel roads. The new bike also comes with an updated braking system, featuring twin radial-mounted 4-piston calipers in the front, which provide outstanding stopping power. The rear braking system has also been upgraded to offer a more progressive feel when engaging the brakes, ensuring greater rider confidence during hard stops. Conclusion: a perfect balance of style and substance. The 2025 Honda CB1000R is the perfect motorcycle for riders who crave performance, technology, and style in a single, cohesive package. Honda has successfully refined its flagship naked bike by improving its design, performance, and rider experience. With its aggressive looks, powerful engine, and state-of-the-art features, the CB1000R is an impressive machine that offers something for every type of rider, from the seasoned enthusiast to those just getting into the sport. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Motor Max for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes. Stay tuned for our next video where we take another deep dive into the world of motorcycles.